everybody! Justin Sainer here. How's it going? Just a real quick video today. I wanted to announce that I'm launching learn2021.com. And I've updated all of my free e-commerce trainings for 2021. Print on demand, dropshipping, Shopify, ClickFunnels, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. I've updated it all, and I've simply organized it into one place. Totally free, totally up to date. It's learn2021.com. And you see the link directly below this video. Make sure you check it out. It's 100% free. It's 100% up to date. And currently I've got training on Shopify print on demand, a step-by-step setup. I've got dropshipping for Shopify, another step-by-step setup. I show you over the shoulder how to do Facebook and Instagram ads for e-commerce. And I have a ClickFunnels training where I show you 3 different ways to make money. Be sure to bookmark this page. I'm going to be adding trainings throughout the year, and they're going to be totally free and super valuable for your business. And if you have any ideas in terms of what trainings I should add next or what you want to learn, make sure you add a comment right over here, and I'll be sure to consider it for the next training videos. And I really hope this new site, Learn 2021, helps you make some money, and I hope to see you soon.